What could be the possible reasons for the problem of PayPal transfer of money to a bank account?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the possible reasons behind the problem of PayPal transfers to a bank account. PayPal is a widely used online payment platform, but sometimes users encounter issues when attempting to transfer money from their PayPal account to their bank account. In this video, we'll explore some common reasons why these problems may occur. Let's get started.
Insufficient funds in PayPal account.
One of the primary reasons for transfer issues could be insufficient funds in your PayPal account. When initiating a transfer, PayPal requires that you have enough funds available to complete the transaction successfully. If your PayPal balance is insufficient to cover the transfer amount, the transaction may fail. Make sure you have enough funds in your PayPal account before attempting a transfer.
Incorrect bank account information.
Another possible reason for transfer problems is incorrect bank account information. PayPal needs accurate details of your bank account to process the transfer correctly. If you enter incorrect bank account numbers, the transfer may fail or be sent to the wrong account. Double-check that you have provided the correct routing number, account number, and other necessary details when linking your bank account to PayPal.
Bank account restrictions or limitations.
Certain bank account restrictions or limitations can also lead to transfer issues. Some banks have specific requirements or restrictions when it comes to online transfers or transactions from third-party platforms like PayPal. These restrictions could include daily transfer limits, transaction fees, or even outright blocking of PayPal transfers. Check with your bank to ensure there are no restrictions or limitations affecting transfers from PayPal to your bank account.
Account verification or security checks.
PayPal has stringent account verification and security checks in place to protect users from fraud and unauthorized transactions. If your account triggers any suspicious activity or fails to meet PayPal's security requirements, they may temporarily restrict transfers to your bank account. In such cases, you might need to provide additional documentation or go through a verification process to regain full access to transfers.
Technical glitches or system maintenance.
Occasionally, technical glitches or scheduled system maintenance can disrupt PayPal's services, resulting in transfer problems. These issues are usually temporary and resolved by PayPal's technical team. If you're experiencing transfer failures, it's worth checking PayPal's website or reaching out to their customer support to determine if there are any ongoing technical issues or maintenance activities affecting transfers. And there you have it. We've explored some of the possible reasons behind the problem of PayPal transfers to a bank account. Remember, these are just potential causes, and it's always best to directly contact PayPal's customer support for personalized assistance if you're encountering transfer issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has shed some light on the topic. Stay tuned for more helpful content, and have a fantastic day.